fix phone link clipboard not working. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Allow to run in background. Click on the Background Apps Permissions option. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Always. Close the Settings app. Method 2. Reset or repair phone link. Method 3. Enable data sharing across linked devices. Select the My Devices Only radio button to restrict sharing to only your own devices. Make sure that you are using the same Microsoft user account on both your Windows PC and your Android mobile device where the phone link app is installed. If you are not using the same Microsoft account on both devices, log out of the accounts and log back in using the same account on both devices. Close the Settings app. Method 5. Enable clipboard sync. Toggle on the Sync Across Devices option. Method 5. Reinstall phone link. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.